5 Thanksgiving gravy brands to never buy. 5 that are great. Thanksgiving gravy should be the easiest win of the entire meal. No wrestling a turkey. No science fair stuffing experiment. No dessert that collapses like your will to host. Gravy is supposed to be simple. Crack the jar, heat it up, drown the plate. But apparently some brands miss that memo. Badly. A few taste like someone dissolved bouillon cubes in regret. Some are so thin they qualify as flavored hydration. One was so chemical we double-checked that it wasn't engine lubricant masquerading as food. So today, we're ranking 10 gravy brands from absolutely not to so good people will swear you made it yourself. And honestly, let them. Here's the plot twist. The worst gravies cost the same as the best ones. You're not paying for quality. You're paying for vibes, hopes, and broken promises. We ran blind tastings, texture tests, and brutally honest commentary no brand asked for, but every shopper needs. By the end of this video, you'll never sabotage Thanksgiving with bad gravy again. Now, let's start with the gravy that tastes like it was made in a lab where flavor is strictly prohibited. Number 5. McCormick Turkey Gravy Mix. Standard. McCormick is a name you recognize. Spices, seasonings, trusted brand. You see this in the gravy aisle and think, I know this company, this will be fine. It's not fine. This gravy comes out pale. We're talking anemic looking, watery pale. The kind of pale that makes your entire plate look depressing before anyone tastes it. Presentation matters, and this gravy fails immediately on visual grounds. The flavor is uninspired at best, offensive at worst. It tastes like someone described turkey to a machine that had only experienced salt and cornstarch. There's no roasted meat depth, no savory complexity. Just vague turkey-ish flavor that exists but doesn't impress. When you taste this gravy, your mouth immediately detects what's missing. Actual flavor development, real roasted poultry notes, the complexity that makes gravy worth pouring. This gravy is the bare minimum of what gravy could theoretically be. The texture is thin, not luxuriously thin like a light gravy. Disappointingly thin like someone ran out of ingredients halfway through thickening and just gave up. McCormick makes quality spice blends. Their extracts are solid, but this specific gravy mix, the brand name is basically lying about the quality. You're paying for the McCormick reputation and getting a gravy that doesn't deserve that reputation. Taste testers consistently ranked this in the bottom tier. Uninspired was the most common descriptor. Nobody was enthusiastic. Nobody was disappointed so much that they noticed. They just were unmoved by the entire experience. This is the gravy that makes you question McCormick's entire product line. Number 4. Simply Organic Gravy Mix. The name Simply Organic suggests clean ingredients and quality. Organic means good, right? Organic means healthy and premium and worth paying extra for? Not if the gravy tastes like nothing. This gravy is bland, not subtly bland. Aggressively, noticeably bland. You make this gravy and taste it and your immediate reaction is, did I accidentally use water instead of broth? The texture is watery, not gravy-like, water-like. It coats your mashed potatoes and immediately separates, leaving behind a thin film and a pool of confused liquid that's not quite gravy and not quite broth. The flavor lacks depth. There's no roasted meat character, no savory development, no reason to believe any actual turkey or chicken was involved in the creation of this product. It tastes like the concept of gravy that was described to someone who'd never actually tasted real gravy. Parade magazine did a taste test of 17 different gravies. This one came near the bottom. Not because it was worse than everything else, because it was so bland that tasters struggled to find anything to say about it beyond, it's there. The ingredient list is organic, which is technically accurate. But organic water with organic salt isn't better than regular gravy. It's just expensive disappointment. People buy Simply Organic thinking they're making a premium choice. What they're actually doing is paying extra for reduced flavor and increased blandness. This proves an important truth. Organic doesn't mean delicious. Organic just means the ingredients came from sources that met certain standards. Those standards don't include actually tastes good. Number 3, better than gravy. Jared. The name is aggressively confident. Better than gravy. Better than what? What is this comparing itself to? Better Than Gravy thinks it's so good that it doesn't need to specify what it's better than. It's just better than gravy in general? Expectations? Human happiness? It's not better than any of those things. The texture is thin and watery, not in a light, elegant way. In a way that suggests someone opened the jar, looked at the contents, thought, this isn't thick enough, and gave up trying to fix it. The flavor is the real problem. It tastes smoky, but not in a good, developed way. It tastes like someone opened a bouillon cube, poured it into water, and added smoke flavoring from a bottle. It's artificial smoke. Weird, chemical, aggressively processed smoke that doesn't taste like real smoke. There's a bouillon-y quality to everything. That cheap, salty MSG-forward flavor that screams, "This is processed food trying to approximate real food." It doesn't taste like roasted meat that was turned into gravy. It tastes like bouillon decided to become gravy and failed spectacularly. When you pour this over mashed potatoes, the potatoes don't taste better. They taste hijacked by artificial smoke flavor that dominates everything else on your plate. Tasting Table ranked this in their lower tier, specifically calling out the thin, odd, smoky, bouillon-y flavor that misses the mark entirely. All Recipes Taste Test described it as thin and watery with a whisper of gravy flavor, which is brutally accurate. The confidence in the name makes the failure worse. You buy this thinking, the name says it's better, so it must be better. What you get is a gravy that's aggressively worse than the alternatives. Never buy this based on name alone. Names lie. Number 2, Great Value Brown Gravy Mix. Walmart. Budget pricing. Walmart branding. Theoretically acceptable for people on tight budgets. Actually a warning sign that your standards might be too low. This gravy tastes like someone prioritized price over everything else. Flavor, texture, ingredient quality, human dignity, all sacrificed on the altar of cost reduction. The ingredient list is a chemistry experiment. You read it and wonder whether anyone involved in creating this actually wanted people to eat it. Thickeners stacked on thickeners, starches that have been modified for unspecified purposes, preservatives to keep this edible for decades apparently. The flavor is chemical forward, not savory chemical, aggressively artificial chemical. When you taste this gravy, your tongue immediately detects the presence of processing. This tastes like food that was created in a laboratory by people who understood food chemistry but had never actually tasted real food. The taste is vaguely meat-like in the way that bouillon is vaguely meat-like, not actual meat flavor. Approximation of meat flavor that's missing all the depth, complexity, and satisfaction that makes real gravy worth eating. When you make this gravy and taste it, your immediate reaction is, can I doctor this? Can I add Worcestershire sauce? Can I add beef broth? Can I add anything to make this taste less like regret? You shouldn't have to fix your gravy. If you're buying gravy, it should be acceptable out of the box. Great Value proves that budget pricing comes at a flavor cost most people aren't willing to accept. This gravy says, I gave up on this meal, in liquid form. Number 1, worst. Libby's Country Sausage Gravy, canned. This isn't even regular gravy. This is sausage gravy masquerading as Thanksgiving gravy, and it's making a massive mistake. First problem, sausage gravy doesn't belong on Thanksgiving. Sausage gravy is for biscuits and gravy, for breakfast, not for turkey and stuffing on a holiday table. This is a fundamental category error, but let's evaluate it on its own merits anyway, because the verdict is even worse. The ingredient list is a nightmare of processed items: thickeners, phosphates, stabilizers, preservatives, artificial flavors that have been given scientific names to make them sound legitimate. You read this ingredient list and question whether this is food or an industrial cleaning product wearing food skin. The flavor is aggressively artificial. The sausage taste isn't authentic sausage. It's sausage flavor created in a lab by scientists who've heard descriptions of sausage but never tasted actual sausage. The sage flavor is artificial and overwhelming. It's not fresh sage subtly flavoring gravy. It's artificial sage flavor assault. Your taste buds are attacked by processed sage that tastes vaguely herbal and aggressively wrong. The texture is thick but in an unpleasant way. Thick, like wallpaper paste. Thick, like something whose consistency was achieved through chemical means rather than natural reduction and thickening agents. When you open this can and look at the contents, it looks wrong. The color is off. The texture looks unnatural. You immediately sense that someone in the food science department made a mistake that everyone was too afraid to correct. Yahoo Lifestyle's worst to best ranking put this firmly in the bottom tier. Not because the flavor was interesting or the texture was somehow appealing, because it was aggressively, obviously, processed and tasted like none of the good things it was supposed to taste like. This is the gravy that makes you question all of Libby's product choices. All right? We've destroyed the gravy landscape. Your faith in store-bought gravy is shattered. You're questioning whether anything pre-made is worth buying. Then we tested 5 brands that are genuinely exceptional. Gravies that make your plate look appealing. Gravies that make people think you actually care about flavor. Gravies that might convince people you made this from scratch, even though you definitely did not. Let's start with number 5. Number 5, Pioneer Roasted Turkey Gravy Mix. This one surprised us. Pioneer isn't a premium brand. They're not known for luxury gravy, but this mix is surprisingly rich and accomplished. The flavor is developed and complex. It tastes like someone actually roasted a turkey and reduced the pan drippings into gravy. That's the goal, and Pioneer achieves it without making you feel like you compromised on quality. The color is rich and appetizing, not pale, not artificial looking, proper brown gravy with depth and visual appeal. The texture comes together smoothly without being weird or slimy. You whisk this up and it immediately becomes gravy instead of looking like a strange conglomeration of powder and liquid that's contemplating whether it should become gravy. Reviewers consistently describe this as homemade-like in the best way possible. It tastes like someone put care into the flavor development instead of just hitting the bare minimum requirements for food. The price is remarkably affordable. You're getting serious quality at budget pricing. That's the opposite of what most gravy brands offer. This is the gravy for people who want good flavor without overthinking the process or breaking the budget. Number 4, Trio Turkey Gravy, low-fat mix. Low-fat doesn't have to mean low flavor, and Trio proves that convincingly. The flavor is savory and developed. You're not sacrificing taste to hit nutritional targets. The salt and spices are balanced properly to create depth without being overwhelming. The texture is proper gravy consistency, not thin like some low-fat options that sacrifice body for caloric reduction. This has substance and satisfying mouthfeel. The color is appealing, rich brown instead of anemic pale. It makes your plate look intentional and appetizing. For people watching calories or fat intake without wanting to sacrifice eating experience, this is the option that doesn't require compromise. You get flavor and the nutritional profile you're looking for. This proves that dietary restrictions don't have to mean dietary disappointment. Number 3, Knorr Roasted Turkey Gravy Mix. Knorr is basically the gold standard of gravy mix branding, and their standard gravy lives up to the reputation. The flavor is balanced and sophisticated, not aggressively salty, not artificially flavored, just proper, well-executed turkey gravy that tastes like actual gravy. The color is rich and proper, the kind of brown that makes your plate look like you put effort into this meal. The texture is smooth and consistent. You whisk this up and it immediately becomes gravy without weird lumps or strange texture surprises. The ingredient list is clean and reasonable. You recognize the ingredients. There's nothing mysterious or concerning hiding in there. This is the classic choice, the one that works reliably every single time. Not fancy, not trying too hard, just solid gravy execution. This is the gravy for people who want reliability and decent quality without overthinking the decision. Number 2, Trader Joe's ready-to-use turkey gravy. Trader Joe's has built their reputation on quality ingredients and reasonable pricing. This ready-made gravy reflects that standard. The flavor is clean and satisfying. It tastes like turkey gravy was supposed to taste. No weird chemical aftertaste, no artificial flavoring assault, just gravy that tastes good. The texture is perfect. Not too thin, not too thick, just the right consistency for ladling or drizzling. The color is rich and appetizing. It makes your plate look intentional. The convenience factor is huge. You literally just open, heat if desired, and pour. No mixing, no whisking, no wondering if you did it right. It's already right. All Recipes taste tests ranked this among their top picks, not just for convenience, for actual flavor quality that matches or exceeds many mix options. This is the gravy for people who value their time and don't want to compromise on quality. You're paying slightly more for the convenience of it being pre-made, but that premium is absolutely worth it. Number 1, best, Heinz Homestyle Roasted Turkey Gravy. Heinz Homestyle Roasted Turkey Gravy. The best gravy we tested. Ready-made, jarred, and performing like it was made by someone who actually understands what good gravy should be. The flavor is complex and developed. There's actual roasted meat character. The spices are balanced. The salt level is proper. Everything works together instead of fighting for dominance. The texture is creamy and luxurious, without being weird or slimy. This coats your food properly and creates the eating experience you want from gravy. The color is rich and beautiful. Your plate looks intentional and appetizing before anyone even tastes the food. The ingredient list is reasonable. Nothing mysterious. Nothing that makes you question whether this is actually food. The consistency is perfect every time. You open a jar and it's immediately ready to eat. No preparation required, no guessing. Just excellence in jarred form. Taste testers consistently rank this at the top tier. Not because it was fancy or trying too hard, because it was simply excellent at being gravy. This is the gravy that makes people think you actually cared about this component of your meal. And you did care. You cared enough to buy the good stuff. Stop letting gravy ruin Thanksgiving. No chemicals, no sad watery mess, no plate sabotage. Next time you're in the gravy aisle, Skip the bargain bin disasters. Grab Heinz Homestyle for easy mode or Knorr mix if you want to feel like you cooked. Your turkey will sing, your mash will cheer, your taste buds will forgive you. What's your go-to gravy? Drop it below. And if you've been rocking great value, mate, I'm sorry. Switch brands. Life's too short for bad gravy. And don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't, you are those that watch soccer versus football this Thanksgiving. Now, go forth and buy gravy that actually deserves the name.